5 signs that your dryer vent needs to be cleaned immediately. Number 1 is if your dryer gets extremely hot on the outside of the dryer. So the inside of the dryer should be about 120 to 145 degrees, but the outside of the dryer should stay under about 90 degrees. If it's over 90 degrees or 100 degrees, then you have problems with your airflow. So when the dryer vent is clogged, it doesn't allow the heat to escape through the exit vent of the dryer vent system. So all the heat stays in the dryer, and this could damage your clothes, and it could damage the machine and overheat the components, and then you might have to get a new dryer or change some components. So if your dryer is hot to the touch on the outside, then your dryer vent needs to be cleaned immediately. It could get so hot that you could actually cook an egg on top of it. Another sign that your dryer vent could be clogged is if you're not getting any lint in the lint tray. So when you do your laundry, especially big loads and towels, when you remove the lint tray, whether it's on the top or inside the dryer, you should be getting some lint on there. You should be getting a decent amount. If there's no lint in there, that could mean that there is no airflow and that it's not enough airflow to have the lint be pulled off the clothes and onto the tray. So that is another way to tell if your vent is clogged. The third one is a simple one, and that is if you have access to your dryer vent, if it's on the side of your house or if it's on your roof and you're comfortable going up there. If you turn the dryer on and you put your hand up to it and there's no air coming out, then that definitely means that your dryer vent is clogged. A lot of times there'll be a screen, either if it's on the side of your house or on the roof, and this screen could get completely clogged with lint and cause there to be no airflow. Also, it could just get completely filled with lint and have a big piece of lint blocking the opening. So that's another way to tell if your dryer vent is clogged. The next one is if it takes really a long time to dry your clothes. Your clothes should dry within 35 minutes to an hour. If it's taking over an hour or 2 hours, or you have to run it multiple cycles, then that could mean that there's something wrong with your machine, or most likely it means that the dryer vent is clogged. So I would suggest getting your dryer vent cleaned and then trying it and seeing if it works. And then if it does work, then you solve the problem. If not, you could have damaged an internal component of the dryer, causing your clothes to take a really long time to dry. Next is if you get a burning smell. If there is a lot of lint inside the machine, then it could be getting burnt. If there's a lot of lint by the heating element and stuff like that, it could be getting burnt. So if you smell a burning smell, get your dryer vent cleaned immediately. And if you want to learn how to clean the inside of your dryer yourself, check out this video over here. Thank you.